trying to get a ride in. You know, and riding on different sidewalks and different neighborhoods and different bike paths. So, gotta ride early before it gets too hot. And now we should go. Weeks ago, and it seems like I haven't been able to ride it. I've been busy, and you know, it's been really hot, so I haven't got a chance to take it out. It still has a full charge, and the tires still seem to be keeping air, so that's cool. My brakes are, of course, adjusted good because I haven't really rode it, and so they're staying. You know, of course they're adjusted because I haven't, so I'm still keeping an eye on my brakes, and this is just level ground, so not using, whew, that was a tight spot. So we're just going with the traffic and cruising on this sidewalk. Avenue S is a pretty busy street. There's 3 lanes one side and 3 lanes on the other, so it used to be just a little country road, 2 lane with 1 stop sign back in the 70s and 80s. There was no houses around here, it was all desert, and so this is really nice that you could ride right on these sidewalks. Makes it a little bit smoother ride. You're not bouncing around on a desert road, or dirt road, I should say. And PAS 2, so get used to the pedal assist for sure. You know, at first kind of takes you for a ride a few times where you're not, you know, ready for it, but once you get used to doing these gears, it's a really nice ride, you know. This all sidewalk too. See, this used to be just all dirt right here, so they redid this street, which is really nice. So you can ride quite a ways. This on the PAS2, just cruising, because you know I'm going through a lot of driveways right here, so I don't want to be surprised with the car pulling out. They don't see me with all these brick walls and stuff. But they got chickens. Those guys are and I don't have a bell, so somebody's walking right here. I'm gonna go out the street, go around, and then go up in the driveway again. Luckily no cars are coming. So PS2 too. It just goes like 10 miles an hour. You know, you could just cruise through these. I've never rode on this sidewalk either, so where, you know, get a feel for this before you start going really fast. Whew. So the tree hit the top of my helmet. Yeah, my fender's making a lot of noise, so. Oh, I'm losing power. Whoa. Losing power there for a minute until I shifted it back down. So it's going to 20 miles an hour now. Bike path, but this is a pretty quiet road. Not much traffic, but there is a car coming behind me. But he's gonna get way over. Because he's got plenty of. Hello, little puppy. Hello, little puppy. Dogs are always chasing you on this bike, but if you're nice to them and calm them down, they kind of. Plus, you could outrun them on this bike. They were in the fence, so it's all good. It's a nice road, it's not too busy. It's more of a country. These houses here got a lot more property. Alright. So we got a stop sign here. The bike sounds good. Lost some power back there, which is strange. So we're gonna take a stop here. And those cars are coming. So yeah, I kind of lost power a little bit back there. I was in PAS 3 and it just wouldn't. I mean, I was in PAS 5 and it seemed like it was, you know, it seemed like it was in PAS 3. So now I'm in 5. I know my front fender sounds a little buzzy now, so I'm going to have to take a wrench to that and tighten it up, I guess. That's one thing. I adjusted my brakes and bunch of other stuff, but I didn't really check the fenders. Ooh, there's my Swanson. Let's put it in there. Yeah, so once I stopped the buzzing on my brakes, now I got buzzing on my fender. That makes sense. So instead of taking them off, so they stop buzzing, I'm going to tighten them up. So it's not too loud of it, but you're probably hearing it in the camera going, what the heck is buzzing? Okay. Let's see what we can do over here. Let's go this way, I guess. Go over to this light. Try to find a road that goes through. Yeah, so this bike is really cool. You know, I got, well, 54 miles on it right now. Yeah, there's things you got to adjust, you know, the brakes and make sure everything, oh, man, there's tight with the tree and the, with the tree and the light post, it gets a little crazy, especially my mirror sticking out, but nothing you can't handle if you just pay attention to what's going on. And I'm in PAS 5, so it's got a lot of torque, it's got a lot of speed, it's super fun. That's why you gotta pay attention to this PAS. These PAS gears are, and but sometimes I'm on PAS 1 to go through this stuff. Got a little bit of lane here, see PAS, so when you got a clear shot,